How to add color swatches to your Shopify product page and collections page. Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you are tired of displaying your Shopify product colors in the form of colors like this, and instead you want them to display the swatches, I have a quick and easy tutorial for you guys to follow. So, let's jump right in. Now, to do this, a lot of people try to edit the code, but that is not what we're going to do. We're going to be using an application, and that application is going to help us in building these color swatches. So jump right into your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, you're going to click on Apps and Sales Channels on the bottom left as well. And then you're going to click on Shopify App Store on the top right. Now, once you open up your Shopify App Store, you're going to search for Glow, G-L-O. And once you search for Glow, you're going to find it on the left side over here. It's called Glow Color Swatch Variant Image. Just click on this particular application and then click on Install. So once you click on Install, this will lead you to the installation page on Shopify, and you're just going to click on Install over here. Now, once you have done that, you can get started with adding your color swatches. I'm going to pin this to my navigation on the left. And then once we've done that, we are going to click on Continue as Free on the bottom right. You can do this for over 100 products for free. And then after that, you're going to embed this in your Shopify store. So click on Go to Theme Editor, and from the top left, it will show you the app embed, whether or not it is enabled. So you will see it on the top left over here. It has been enabled. And then you can go back and then click on Sync Now. Now, once you've done that, you can get started with actually setting up your store collection or how you want your products to be displayed with color swatches. So you will see on the bottom, you have the options. Color affects two products. I have one product with a color, and this is the product that I showed you guys at the start of this video. So if I go into this product over here, you guys can see now it has turned it into swatches, but it doesn't display any color with the color or custom image swatch. So you can click on the configure option over here. And once you click on configure, you can go on ahead and add one item color. Now, you also have some other display options, such as a button. Now, if you display it in the button style, I'll show you guys what it's going to look like. Now, if you display it in the button style, it's still going to look like a simple circular icon. If we click on the button style over here, you guys can see now it's just displayed in a simple circle with the same kind of formatting. However, if you want to directly swatch a color, you can either choose the first option, which is a color or custom swatch, or you have the variant image swatches with price. Now, what this option does is that this displays the variant image that you have as the color swatch, and I'll show you guys what it looks like if I click on save. And this will show entire images. You guys can see now the red, this is the purple one, and then this is the green one. But for us, we want a custom color image swatch. So I'm going to click on the top option. And once you click on the top option, you're going to click on configure. Now, once you click on configure, you will see the option to add your own color. However, some of you might say, I don't know the exact color of my product. And that is where a swatch color picker will show up. Now, previously, the automated process of picking out the color was done by Glow. However, they have now upgraded that to be a premium only feature. And now you will have to manually insert the color or, the color hex codes. But it's really not that difficult. So for our silk dress over here, I have this silk dress, and what I'm going to do is I am going to go into redketchup.io/color picker, and then from here you can upload your image of your product and then click on the product color, and then you will get a pixel color. Just copy this pixel color and then you can insert that over here. So click on the color one and then just click on paste, and then this will select the exact color of your product. Now I can click on select another image, and then I'll choose the green one, and then choose the green one from here, and I will copy this and then paste it in the green section like this. And then in this way, I like to make it with my specific hex codes. Now, it's not necessary that you add the exact color. You can just add a red color to represent red, or you can just add a purple color to represent purple or green. But I find it to be, the extra effort, I find it to just make my Shopify store look a whole lot more nicer. So once you do that, your colors will be added, and then click on save on the top right. Now, once you've done that, you can click on settings on the left, and then you have a few different options. So sold out variant display type. I wanted to show the variant as a crossed out version. Then we have the image width and height, and then the background size, so cover or contain. Then below that is the option to display it on the product page. And I want to require customers to select an option. And then after that, you can also choose to enable color swatch if product has only one variant. Now, I don't want to display color swatches on products that only have one variant. And then you have the group image when click swatch. Now, below that, you have the appearance on your collection page. So you can click on that. And then I want this to be the swatch to be a circle. You can also choose it to be square or to fit the text. And then you have the swatch size. I can increase that. And then we have the border style. Let's say I don't want a border. And then after that, we can go into the effects. So you can add a shadow or add a glow effect. And then you have the zoom option on hover, and then size change on hover as well. Then we have the content alignment if you want this to be placed right at the center or at the right or left. And then just click on save. After that, you have the appearance of the color swatches in the product pages. So we have the fit text, and then you have the different options for drop downs as well. Now, after that, you have the theme integration that should be enabled. And once you have completed these steps, you can click on your online store. I'll go into my catalog, and this is our silk pleated dress. Now I have to change these settings to display our color swatch. So I have to go with my custom swatches, which I configured, and I'll click on save on the top right. Make sure to save those, because if you don't save those, you are going to not have your changes be made. So I'll click on save on the top right, and then go on to the appearance on collections page, and I want the appearance to be on the collections page over here. And then after that, I am going to select no borders, swatch spacing, and then click on save on the top right. And then once we've done that, we can go on ahead and preview our online store now, and go into our catalog, go into our dress. And as you guys can see over here, now our color swatches have appeared on our product page. So these color swatches look really nice, and you guys can display them on your products page. This is a catalog page, so it can't be displayed over here. But if you you have your Shopify default page, which is a product page, it will be displayed over there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you are now able to use this tool to add your own color swatches for your own products. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.